Ako naniniwala ako mga Lodi kapag nakikita ko yung post na top 2 si Kobe at saka po si Michael Jordan. Pagka ang pag-uusapan ay great o pinakamagaling na basketballista. Naniniwala naman ako talagang top 2 lang talaga yan dalawa na yan. Kasi merong top 1 at walang iba si NBA GOAT LeBron James yun. Pakinggan nga natin tong si Harrison Barnes at saka po si Lil Wayne. Irarank nila ngayon itong tatlo. Pakinggan natin kung sino ang number 1.
MJ, Kobe, Bron, rank them.
Uh-oh.
Brian.
One?
Yeah. Mike and Kobe.
Bron. Talk about his greatness. I mean, you're someone who's been in this game 25 plus years. He's in it 20 years.
Brian. I don't know Brian like personally. So my answer for Brian would be from afar, watching from afar. Brian, and it's on the court. Brian, you got to remind yourself that. I mean, I know for a fact I love Jordan for the way he fucking always won. As a kid, you don't know too much about the ins and outs and all the other shit that we love now in the game that I'm old enough to care about. So who won? That's my favorite player, he better win. He always fucking win. That's all I know.
Kaya doon sa mga ulaga at nangangarap-ngarap pa ng gising na nagsasabing mas magaling si Kobe, mas magaling si Jordan sa lahat, naku, itigil nyo na yung kalokohan nyo. Kahit pagsabayin mo yung dalawa na yan, si Kobe at saka si Jordan, hindi sila uubra kay NBA GOAT LeBron James. Mas magaling si LeBron, wala sa kalingkingan yung dalawa na yan.